Okay, this is another job lot I bought, and let's see what is inside. It's a mystery to me. Let's see what we have here. A torch. Good for observation. A box made of wood. Russian. This is looking like a night vision goggle or night vision camera. I have to look at it separately. Adapter for the laptop. Some cable for the Apple devices. A car USB charging lighter connection. The ornament. Oh, the moon globe. That looks interesting. I love globes. Looks interesting. It's more accurate than the other globes that I have, in the sense of being small also. So. Lunar globe, replog. Okay, that's a replog. Okay. Can say what date it is. So let me find to see if there's an Apollo 11. Apollo 11. Okay, first man. Then no, Apollo 15 is not there. Apollo 12 is there. And that makes it pre-Apollo 15. Apollo 14. That was written here, Apollo 15, Apollo 11, okay, 15 is something else. Apollo 14, okay, that's before Apollo 15. Apollo 15 was in the Apennine area, so we don't have it. Oh, no, Apollo 15 is there also. Oh, that's it. Let me see if there is an Apollo 17 then. Apollo 17, yeah, that's 1972 and after. So interesting. Okay, I'll put it back. Let's see what we have here. A magnet. Oh, a Celestron 50mm plus of multi-coated eyepiece. That is interesting. A meat. What's this? I cannot help it. Meat Super Plus 56mm multi-coated. Oh, that's the best. Multi-coated meat Super Plus. Got a bargain with these chocolates. You buy it without knowing what is inside. So I got the But it looks like a few brushes and painting knives used. Something like a smelly bits. People like to go through the stuff of other people, so that's the reason probably we buy these things, job lots. Another one of these. Job lot. Yeah, it smells not right. Anyway. Oh, what is that? Cork. Empty bottle of parsley. Empty jar. Oh, it has been used for painting, it seems. For mixing paint or cleaning. That's it. That was this job lot. I got it for 75 pounds. I didn't know what is inside it, so I think I made a good bargain with the magnet and those celestron and meat eyepieces. And this is also useful. So for 75 pounds, I got this amount of unknown stuff. This is not included. This is not included. These are part of the what I already had. Not bad, I think. What do you think? Definitely these two worth. This globe worth magnet. This is actually a Questar diaphragm. It's broken, but it can be repaired. That's night vision goggle Russian. May not work. This is practically works. This is just ornamental. The rest of it are just rubbish, but these two worth, these three worth it, and this, and the magnet. Can use it on the Smithsonian for balancing, or any other telescope that needs balancing. Okay, I have now repaired this Questar diaphragm. It's used when you want to observe objects which are less than 25 feet, around 8 meters away. So it goes inside here and fits. And that way you can use your Questar for as a terrestrial telescope, spotonoscope practically. It was broken, it's old material, but easy to repair. So that's done also.